What's up everyone? Scooby here. Maybe not the normal side of me, but it's time to take this YouTube game to another level. And today we're revealing a very nice partnership that I've been waiting to tell you guys about for a long time. So 2025, we're doing it with Yamaha Scandinavia, and we're doing it different, I can tell you that. Alright, let's walk through some parts, accessories, clothing, everything. So starting off with the bikes, we got two YC 450Fs, 2025. So I don't know what the plan is gonna be. Either we do like one supermoto, one MX, or we're doing two supermotos. I got like everything ready, so starting off, as I said, with the bikes. We got some Yamaha parts with all the oil, all the fresh stuff. And of course, we got some nice clothing. I don't know if we should do an unboxing of it coming later, we'll see. Some hoodies, some bags, all the goodies, all the guitar parts, and of course the Akrapovic exhaust. I don't know, we'll do a build series later, so you guys can tag along on the way. So stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
You always have to be the good guy. If you destroy something, you fucking fix it.
Yep.
Good as new. Alright guys, I think the braking is going pretty good on this bike, hauling us from like the first minute, so I don't know, we'll keep on going for another couple of minutes and then we'll probably clean this one up and then it's time to build. So that's probably it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Hope you're as stoked as I am. 2025 is gonna be a banger. A lot of videos, a lot of plans. So it's gonna be fun. We're gonna try to do at least maybe one video per week or once every 2 weeks. So looking forward to that. And other than that, it's probably 2025 is looking blue. Let's go.